Good morning, Ava. Time to wake up, sweetie. Logan's already up and dressed.
Good morning, Mom. What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy, and it might rain later, so let's grab our umbrellas. There's a slight breeze, too.
I'll go brush my teeth and get dressed. See you at breakfast.
Perfect. Breakfast will be ready when you come down.
What's for breakfast?
We're having oatmeal with honey and berries, plus a glass of orange juice.
Yum. Can I help set the table?
That'd be great, Ava. Thanks. Logan, are you ready for school?
Almost. Just need to grab my backpack.
Don't forget your lunch. Now let's eat before we head out. Today's the day we give the house a deep clean.
What do we need to do, Mom?
Start with your rooms. Pick up everything off the floor and put it away. Make your beds with fresh sheets, vacuum the carpet, and dust the furniture.
Do we need to clean the windows too?
Yes, we'll all pitch in to clean the windows. I'll take care of the living room and kitchen, and Dad will handle the garage.
I'll clean the bathroom after my room.
Sounds good. Let's get to it. I'm not sure what to make for dinner tonight. Any ideas?
How about pasta with homemade sauce?
Can we add some garlic bread?
I'd rather have pizza.
We had pizza last night, Logan. Let's go with Dad's pasta idea. I'll make a salad too.
Can I help with the garlic bread?
Absolutely. Let's get started. Ava, I need to go grocery shopping. Can you come with me?
Sure. What do we need to buy?
We need chicken, fish, some fresh vegetables, and milk. We should also pick up some snacks.
Can you get some chocolate cookies?
Okay, but we'll also get some fruit. How about apples and oranges?
Sounds good. Do we need anything else?
Just some bread and cereal. Let's head out. The washing machine isn't working properly. We might need to call a repairman.
Let me take a look at it first. I think I can fix it.
Are you sure, Dad? It looks complicated.
I'm confident. I've repaired plenty of things around the house before. It might just need a new belt or something simple.
Okay, but be careful. Let me know if you need any help.
Will do. I'll have it running again in no time.
I think it's time we redecorate the living room.
What do you have in mind?
Maybe a fresh coat of paint and some new curtains.
Can we pick out the colors together?
Of course. We'll go to the store tomorrow. I'm thinking of something light and airy.
Are we getting a new rug too?
We might, if we find one that matches. Let's measure the space and see what fits.
We need to review our expenses for the month.
Let's see. We spent $800 on the mortgage, $300 on groceries, and $250 on utilities.
What about entertainment?
We spent $150 on that. We might need to cut back next month.
Maybe we can have more family movie nights at home instead of going out.
That's a great idea. We could save some money that way. Our electricity bill was really high this month.
What could have caused it?
Maybe we've been leaving lights on too much.
We should start turning off lights when we leave a room and unplugging electronics we're not using.
How about adjusting the thermostat?
Good idea. Let's keep it a bit cooler in the winter and a bit warmer in the summer to save energy.
We could also switch to LED bulbs. They use less electricity.
Let's make those changes starting today.